This guy's quoting right now $1,800 just for a landing page design. And then on top of that, another guy's quoting me $875 just for the copy. Let me just rewind back to that. All right, guys, this is real stuff right here. $1,800 just for a landing page design, and another 875 just for the copy, guys.
Whoa, isn't that a whole lot of money just for a funnel design? Yeah, it's absolutely criminal. Well, let me show you really quick how Funnel Hacker Labs can save you a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money so that you can launch your funnel right now. Here at Funnel Hacker Labs, you're going to see over here, you can search by category. And you search by category, oh my gosh, we got a lot of funnels over here, guys. So you can click on whatever you want. I usually do I have my own credit repair agency. So let's click on credit repair. Give it a second or two to kind of load up because we do have actually a massive library. We have a full-time staff that's constantly designing funnels. Let's say you like this one over here. It takes one click to import it into your Go High Level or your ClickFunnels. Let me explain. ClickFunnels, all you're going to do is press that. As soon as you press that, you're going to log into your account. And as soon as you log in, and bam, just like that, it adds a funnel. The next way to do this is to do the Go High Level. So we're going to go to the actual one. Let's say we like this one. We're going to click on Go High Level. See that it copies this text over here. We're going to just open up a new step. We're going to call it like test. Don't worry about that. And we're just going to paste that link onto here. Because pretty much what it's going to do is it's going to copy the funnel from ClickFunnels, and it's by using this import functionality that Go High Level has, it's going to copy what it has on ClickFunnels and instantly import it, as you can see, directly into your Go High Level account. Next thing that we have is our design on demand. Now, design on demand is actually very, very cool. So you hop over here to go to design on demand. So this is for the type of person that for some reason they can't find the funnel template that they want in that funnel library. So what you can do is you can get one custom made for you. You have a 24-hour turnaround time, and it works pretty simple. You're gonna type in your name, Blade, bam. Type in your email, blade@theprojectalpha.com. What niche will the template be in? Credit repair. Describe any specifics that you like to see in your funnel page template. I want to see, I need a picture of a credit report and a review section. My logo colors are black, white, and gold. Something simple like that. Example of a URL that we should model off of. Well, let's find one. So what I usually do is I go to site, click funnels, credit repair. What that allows you to do is allows you to search within the ClickFunnels system database. Over here is a good example. Well, I don't know yet, but let's say this is a good example. We're gonna take this one, bam, copy that, and go over here and just paste that URL. Okay, let's say that's a good example. We want to use a spin off on that, and it gives you the option over here. We like us to directly replicate this funnel example or add our own spin off. You can either choose I need the same exact funnel, please change it up, or I need you to find an example for me, and I'll click the keep me updated button below to later approve the funnel that you found. So that's if you can't find any examples of a funnel page, you would click that bottom one. But we'll do this is to please change it up, and you type in your Facebook profile URL. The reason why we do this is because so that when we're actually done with the funnel design, what we then do is we take it, we make a post of it, like over here, a picture, and we tag you on it. For example, like Davine had this one, so we tagged her on this, and she was updated exactly when it was done. And what we do is we also take this funnel over here and we also put it into the funnel library as well. But pretty much what that URLs do is to let you know that, hey, your funnel is done, and check it out in the Facebook group. Cool feature that we also implemented is over here is the keep me updated button. So you're gonna click on this. Pretty much what that allows you to do is it allows you to directly talk with that who is designing your funnel template. So I'm just gonna write this as a test, so my guys know. But what this allows you to do is allows you to directly communicate with my backend team that are actually doing the designs of the funnel templates for you, and you guys can go back and forth. Like what they're going to do before they even put it on the Facebook group, they're going to send you this picture, okay? And you're going to be like, I like it, or you can be like, change up the colors, please, change up this picture, or whatever you want to do, you know. And it's just a way for you to directly talk with the designers directly, and you can get the funnel done the first time right, the way you want it. Next thing that we have is over here, the actual funnel copier tool. So let's say over here that we want this, we like this page, and we want to take this page and we want to import it directly into our ClickFunnels account. Well, it's actually very, very easy to do. So over here, we have this, our extension, which you will need to download. What we want to do is we want to take this funnel over here, this funnel page, okay? We want to take this and we want to paste it into our editor over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our editor page over here. We're going to go to the actual ClickFunnels editor. What we're they're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to click on this, our funnel copier tool. We're going to press copy funnel. We're going to go over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to press paste funnel. And but bam, instantly like that, it's directly imported into your ClickFunnels account. For now, it's not that you can actually edit it and use it yourself. Press save on that, and we're all good, just like that. Guys, really, it's that simple. It really doesn't take too much to be able to clone that page and put it over to your page. I'm gonna put it over to your account. So as you can see, guys, there's 3 different ways that we could help you get your next funnel done like that, like today, you know? So highly recommend you check out Funnel Hacker Labs. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys are interested in joining Funnel Hacker Labs, the link's down below in the description, or just type in funnelhackerlab.com, all right? And you can get started right away. Only in just joining Funnel Hacker Labs. No, you're joining a community. You're joining a community where people reach out. They ask questions over here. I'm looking for recommendations on the texting platform. Bam, been using this instead of Twilio. I go out of me personally, I go out of my ways to help people out. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have any ideas for new features that we can add to Funnel Hacker Labs, send me a message directly, or what you could also do is comment it in our Facebook group. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you want to join our Facebook group, links down below, or just type in facebook.com/group/Funnel Hacker Labs. Talk to you guys later. Peace out. Have a good one, and I'll see you up there.
Hey, I just want to make this video for Funnel Hacker Labs. Man, y'all got to try this product out. This product is awesome. If you want to make money building funnels, you got to try Funnel Hackers Labs. I mean, this software is awesome. I mean, it is really unbelievable. It's just plug and play when it comes to making funnels. You got to try it out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed with this software. I haven't seen nothing easier out there than Funnel Hacker Lab. It is like plug and play and implement your funnels. You don't have to waste time searching or looking for the right funnel. He has over 400 templates. You're going to love it. Trust me. Just try it. Funnel Hacker Labs.